Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert videos into blog posts automatically using AI agent. So as a content manager, I am receiving multiple videos that are uploaded on my Google Drive folder every day by my team members. I need to convert these videos into blog posts and post them automatically on my Facebook page. But doing it manually is a time-consuming process. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire task with the help of my AI agent and Pabbly Connect. Now, every time a new video is going to be uploaded in my Google Drive folder, automatically with the help of Happy Scribe, it is going to be transcribed, and the transcription is then going to be sent automatically towards my AI agent, that is OpenAI, which is going to convert it into blog post and post it directly on my Facebook page. To create this amazing long automation, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills. I will be connecting all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to convert videos into blog posts with the help of our AI agent. So here, as a content manager, I'm receiving multiple videos that are uploaded on my Google Drive folder by my team members, by the content creators. And as they are uploading these videos, my objective is to share the videos as blog posts on my Facebook page for my audience. But doing it manually is a confusing and a long process. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. Now, every time my AI agent is going to convert that video into a blog post, and the blog post then will be finally shared on my Facebook page. In order to automate this entire process, I will have to build a connection between Google Drive, between my AI agent, that is OpenAI, and Facebook page. And to build the connection between these applications, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills. I will be doing it with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now, without any further wait, let's start learning this amazing automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software, also to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It is going to take us towards our dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows that we have created. Also, to save the workflow separately and accordingly, we can create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So quickly, let me provide a name over here. Convert videos into blog posts automatically using AI agent. After giving the name, now I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this automation. So you can see I have a list of folders over here, but the automation that I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations as my folder. And now I'm going to click on create. So the workflow is created successfully. We are going to go towards a new screen which contains a blank workflow which we have to fill up to completely set up this automation. Okay, so here we have trigger and actions. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time a new video is going to be uploaded in my Google Drive folder from my team members, automatically that video should be converted into a blog, and the blog should be posted automatically on my Facebook page. So here for that I'm going to take Google Drive in my trigger step, and I'm going to take OpenAI, by using which I want to convert the video into a blog in my action step. And finally, to post the blog as a post, I'm going to use Facebook page over here. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, you will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means whenever a new video is going to be uploaded in Google Drive folder, then only according to the transcript of the video is going to be converted into a blog post, and the blog post is then going to be shared on Facebook page, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step, and we will first of all select our trigger application as Google Drive. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. So on the happening of which specific event inside Google Drive you want to capture the response. You can see I have a specific folder over here in my Google Drive with the name as new videos. Whenever the video is going to be uploaded by my team member in this particular folder, then only I want my workflow to trigger. So I'm going to select new file in specific folder as my trigger event. Now to build the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on connect. We have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can simply go with that. To create a new connection, click on add new connection and click on sign in with Google. Because I am already logged into my Google Drive account, so my account is detected over here. We will select this account and here now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Drive account. So I'm going to provide this permission by clicking on allow. As we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect is built. Now we have to select the folder or the subfolder in which when the video will be uploaded, we want to capture the response. So the name of my folder is new videos. I have selected that and now we are going to click on save and send test request button to capture the response of the video. But before that, because Google Drive is based on 10 minutes of polling time, the response is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect within 10 minutes. Okay, so here polling time is the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take to capture new response every time, because we have 10 minutes over here. Every time a new video is going to be uploaded in this particular folder, it is not going to be captured instantly, but it is going to take 10 minutes to be captured inside Pabbly Connect every time. So currently when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we will be receiving the last or the latest video that was uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So this is my folder with the name as new videos and this is the video that is uploaded last. Create automated social media calendar. So when I'm going to click on save and send test request button, I'm going to receive the response of this video only. Okay, so we have received all the details over here, web content link of the video. When we'll scroll down, we have the name of the file as well. Create automated social media calendar. All right. So now let's move forward. As we have received these details, we want to convert this video into a blog. But because we want to convert the video into a blog, we will have to first of all get a transcription of this video. To get the transcribe of the video, first of all, let's select Happy Scribe, with the help of which we are going to transcribe our video. So let's select Happy Scribe over here. So now we are going to select create transcription as our action event. Let's click on connect. To build the connection between Happy Scribe and Pabbly Connect, you need to enter the API key and the organization ID. To get these details, you can just go towards setting page of your Happy Scribe account. Let me take you towards it. And after coming on Happy Scribe account, from the left side, here we have the option of our profile. Let's select it and here we have personal settings. After coming on personal settings, here we have API and this is our API key. Let's copy it. And also we have the organization ID over here. So first of all, let's copy and paste the API key. We have pasted the API key, but it is saying in the instructions given over here, enter your API key with prefix bearer. So we will copy this bearer over here and we will enter it like this in front of the key. Okay, as a prefix. Okay, like this we have entered the token and now we are going to move forward towards entering the organization ID as well. Let's paste the organization ID and now let's click on save. And as we have done that, the connection is built. So let's move forward. First of all, we are going to provide the transcription name. What is the file that you want to transcribe? I will directly map the name of my file that I've received in my earlier response. Here we have it. You can see we have create automated social media calendar. I have mapped this name and now let's move forward. When we map a data like this from the previous step, it becomes dynamic and automatically with every new response, it gets replaced. So now we have the next is language, by using which language you want to get the transcription. So to get the language code, you can simply click on this hyperlink. And it is going to provide all the languages as well as the code. So I want to use English language. So there we have English for India. So I'm going to simply copy English India code and I will go back and I will paste it over here like this. The next we have the media URL. You have to provide the file URL. For that you have to get the transcription. So this is the file URL of the video. I'm going to simply map it again, web content link. What is the workspace name in which you want to save this file? So the workspace in my Happy Scribe account is with the name as my workspace. So I'm going to enter the same over there as well. My workspace. Okay. Now if you want to get the subtitles as well, I'm going to click on none. And here we got the response. So as we got the response, it is saying that the state is initial. So our video is sent towards Happy Scribe so that we can get the transcription. Now here we have to add a delay in our workflow according to the average time of our videos. So let's click on this add action step button. Now why we are adding the delay? Because Happy Scribe is going to take some time according to the length of our video in order to transcribe it. Okay, so here we are going to add delay. so that immediately the actions are not performed. Once the transcription is made, then the actions will be performed according to the length. Now the action event over here will be add time delay. Let's click on connect. Here it is asking us how much delay you want to put in workflow. So I'm going to delay for in minutes, and in average my videos are of 1 minute's length, so I'm going to add the delay of 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to enter 2 over here. So I've added the delay. Now let's click on save and send test request button. The workflow is delayed for 2 minutes, and now again I'm going to connect Happy Scribe in my action step. This time the action event is going to be create export. Okay, now let's click on connect. We will go with an existing connection only, as the connection is already built between Happy Scribe and Pabbly Connect. Now you need to select the format in which you want the transcription. So I want it in the PDF format. I have selected that. Now here it is asking us transcription. So I want the transcription of this create automated social media calendar currently. But when the workflow is going to run in real time, I want that every time a new video is going to be uploaded over here, automatically the transcription should be generated. For that, we have to turn this mapping button on, and we have to map the transcription ID over here that we have received in our earlier response. So I will clear out this existing ID, and here in my Happy Scribe earlier response, I got an ID that I'm going to map over here. Okay, then we have to move forward. If you want to show the timestamps, you can select true. Otherwise, you can select false over here. If you want to show the speakers, you can select true or false. If you want to show the comments, you can select true or false. And if you want to show the highlights, I'm going to select false over here. Let's click on save and send test request button, but it is showing transcription is required. Although I've already mapped the transcription ID over here, but it is still showing that it is required. There is a technical glitch that we have to rectify quickly. So let's click on refresh fields. Again, we will map the transcription ID that we have received. And now the glitch is rectified. So let's click on save and send test request button. We got the response, and it is saying that the transcription is in the state of pending. Now we have to add another action step over here. Let's click on this add action step button. The action application will be again Happy Scribe. And then we have to select the action event. So we are going to select retrieve and export. Let's click on connect. We will again go with an existing connection only. And we have to map the export ID that we have received. This is the export ID. Let's map it. And let's click on save and send test request button. And here we got the PDF of the transcription. I'm going to quickly open this PDF. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And you can see that here we got the transcribe. Now directly I will give this PDF to my AI agent, that is OpenAI, to generate the blog post for it. Okay, so I'm going to select OpenAI as my action application. We will select the action event as extract content from PDF or image. And here I will go with an existing connection only, as I've already built the connection between my OpenAI and Pabbly Connect earlier. Now let's move forward. Here we have to select the AI model. So you can see we have models over here. I'm going to select GPT-4o mini among them. And then we have the image or PDF URL. So I'm going to simply map the PDF URL that I've received from Happy Scribe over here to generate the blog post. And now here we have to provide the prompt, that means the command to our AI agent, that what we want it to do for us. So I'm going to enter the prompt over here as: you are a professional content writer. Turn the following transcript into a well-structured, SEO-friendly blog post. Add a catchy title, intro, subheadings, and conclusion, so that I can directly post it on my Facebook page. Make it readable for a general audience. Now here I'm going to quickly map the transcript that I've received in the form of PDF. So I've mapped the downloadable link, and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So as we have received the response, here we got the post content. Now directly I'm going to post it on my Facebook page. Okay, so here I'm going to select my Facebook pages as my action application, and then the action event is going to be create page post, simple post, not a photo post. Okay, let's click on connect, and I will go with an existing connection only, as my connection is already built earlier. Now here I'm going to quickly select the name of my page, that is Digital Dynamics, as you can see over here, and the message content that we want to post. So that is received already in our earlier response. I've mapped that. And now if you want to provide any link along with this message, you can also share that. I'm going to attach the link of my video. Okay, now let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we got the response along with the ID. So I will take you towards my Facebook page, and over here I'm going to refresh the page once. And here you can see that the post is created. Okay, now we do not have to do anything manually. Once we are going to set up this automation, every time the video will be uploaded in Google Drive, automatically that video is going to be converted into a blog post and it is going to be shared on our social media platform. So in a similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing automation step by step without any coding and programming skills by simply following the same steps as I have shown you. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, but you can create multiple such amazing automations for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your queries, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com. And for any of your pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. If the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.